Ever since Ryan Pineda has talked about flipping couches as a side hustle, it's blown up as one of the best ways to make money. Today we're going to be talking to Mikhail, who's been flipping couches for about a year now and has made over thousands of dollars per month doing so. We're going to see how much profit you can potentially make with this as a side hustle and what is needed to start flipping couches in your city today. The video interview is going to be timestamped, so feel free to jump to certain sections of the video. Also, huge thanks to Mikhail for all the great advice and tips during the interview. Please show him some love and check out more of his videos about couch flipping and other side hustles on his channel. Now, let's jump right into the interview. The first videos that caught my eye were the couch flipping. And I watched quite a few of them, but I was wondering, how long you been flipping couches for?
Yeah, I started flipping couches back, I think it was June or July, I want to say, of last year. And this was just, I would have never gotten into it, obviously, if I didn't see Ryan Pineda. I think that's where most people discovered it. He made a video about couch flipping. And when I saw it, I was like, oh, that's interesting. But I never actually gave it a try until I started YouTube. And I was like, okay, I got to make some content. And I probably should give this a try. And so this was totally spontaneous. I told my wife, I'm like, I'm going to give this a try. And I tried it out and I was quite surprised how profitable it was.
So why did you end up picking, I guess, like couch flipping instead of like other side hustles? I know Ryan's video was pretty intriguing. That was the first time I heard of actual couch flipping, but I still feel like even after that, I thought there was maybe other side hustles that could be more like lucrative. So why'd you end up going with couch flipping then?
Yeah, with couches, it was just, like I said, it was very spontaneous. I was just doing content for YouTube and I'm like, I'll give this a try. I saw other people doing it. And like, Ryan Pineda said, he was making $8,000 a month. And I was like, I got to give this a try myself. Cause I mean, if he was doing it, why can't I? And for me, it was more of the push, like I got to go and do it. And I decided to go pick up my first couch and then it just went from there. But there were a lot of different side hustles out there, like, the gig work, like Amazon Flex and DoorDash, which I've done before. And I knew I could make up to like 15, 20 bucks an hour. But I didn't know if I could scale that. And when it came to couches, I was like, okay, this is all going to depend on how much input I put. And, the money that I'm going to get back is depending on how much work I put in. And so gave it a try. And I realized that this is the most profitable one that I've tried. And I guess this was like the maybe fourth different side hustle that I've tried.
Okay, that makes sense. So what do you need to get started? Is this something you can start, buy a couch today and flip it? Or are there like other supplies you need in order to, do this side hustle?
The biggest thing is patience. That's when it comes to like, your attitude. But when it comes to actually like materialistic stuff, you obviously need a truck. That's kind of one of the biggest things. I was in a great situation. I had a pickup truck that I used to remodel my home. And so I was like, I'll take advantage of that. So I could pick up truck and then obviously just like the basic stuff. You can start off with like basic couches that don't need a lot of cleaning. So at least have a vacuum to vacuum out any dirt. But even like if it were to come to spot cleaning, you could get that later on. You can start off with a couch that's not as dirty. So
okay, so you could kind of like bootstrap it. Maybe at first you just get a vacuum and then you could pick up a certain amount of inventory. Maybe it's already like pretty clean, just needs a quick vacuum. And then
exactly,
as you expand, maybe you realize it's a side hustle you actually like and want to dive into more. You could, buy a cleaner to actually clean all the actual couches then. And is there certain like couches that you're looking to buy? Is it mostly sectionals or is it basically any kind of couch you think, you could flip and make money on?
I personally recommend whoever's starting off to start off with just regular sofas or couches. There's just so many out there that, and you would be fine paying up to like 30, 40 bucks a piece. And you'll make profit on them. But when I started off for the first probably month or two, I only flipped free couches. Like I didn't spend a penny on a single couch until I realized that the sectionals were a lot more profitable. And plus I already had some money saved up. So now I've been paying up to like $400. I think $400 is the maximum that I paid for a sectional because I knew I could flip it for $825 to $900. So, it really depends how much capital you have going in. And if I were just starting off, I would start off with the most basic couches that I could. Like obviously don't get anything that's super torn up, but like get something that's you be okay with, also keeping for yourself. I guess you could say it that way.
Okay. And kind of just goes back to make it like easy to start with, see if you like it. And then if you want, kind of expand to more inventory. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. Yeah. So kind of test the waters in the beginning.
What about, so it seems like you do offer delivery. How much do you charge to do it? Or is it best, I guess, to always include it in your listing? Or do you typically try to charge like a little additional fee to the end buyer?
I offer free delivery up to 20-minute drive or like 10-mile 20-minute drive. But recently, I mean, I haven't been charging people even if I deliver like 30-minute drive. I mean, what I like to do is if I'm driving 30 minutes somewhere, I like to find a couch that I'm going to pick up from that area and bring back home, so I'm not just going to deliver and that's it. So I mean, it really depends on the couch as well. If I'm delivering like a $200 couch for 30-mile drive, I mean, I'm going to charge extra. But if I'm delivering a sectional that's a $900 sectional, I'm not going to probably charge extra for delivery just because it's already, I have a pretty good profit margin. And, if I have a client that's willing to pay that much, I'm fine with delivering it and helping them unload it.
One of the big questions I know everyone's going to ask is how much money can you make with couch flipping? Like, how good of a side hustle? I know some YouTubers, like Ryan's video that we mentioned earlier, you can make up to $8,000 a month. Is that actually like obtainable?
Oh, most definitely. Yeah. Again, it's going to depend on your market, but I've talked to people that have made profit wise like $20,000 a month profit.
Wow.
Their sales were like 35,000, but they've made up to 20,000 profit a month. But again, they're putting in like 70-hour work weeks when they're doing that. So you're going to be really grinding to make that profit. I've personally, I think my best month was last month. And this was me working part-time, and I sold, I think it was just under $8,000 worth of couches, but my profit margin was a bit lower on that. I just because I just had quite a few expenses that month, registration fees and all that. But I mean, my profit was still, I think, just above 5,000, I think. And this was doing part time while working somewhere else.
Another question I have is like, how much time does it require? So if you had to, I guess, track how much time for one couch, so picking it up, cleaning it, listing it, selling it, and then dropping it off, what would you say?
I've noticed my average time, if the couch isn't too filthy and dirty, I mean, probably like pick up, deliver, well, probably 2-3 hours a couch.
And then what about, is it like too late to get started with couch flipping? I feel like ever since the last year, we've seen tons of more videos on YouTube. And I know there was even a couple of videos I watched that there was a lot of people in like competition in someone's city, and it wasn't making it, profitable to actually buy the couches. They were asking too much, and then selling it, there was just too many people selling them. So
It's interesting. It's kind of like a wave. Like sometimes you start looking for couches. I've had happen where I just don't find anything for a few days. And then just like one evening, there's like 6 awesome sectionals that come out that I want to pick up all of them. So it really depends. But I'd say like, yeah, if you want to get into it, but just be ready that it's not just easy money. You have to put some time into it. I think a lot of people go into it thinking like, oh, it's easy money, and it's good money. I mean, you can definitely make $100 an hour, but you got to stay patient, and you got to always, be looking for these couches, because it is getting a little more competitive. There's a lot more people starting to do it, but with a lot of people starting it, there's a lot of people that are also falling off and, stop doing it. So it just, have resilience and give it a try, and you never know.
and then I guess, yeah, do you have any tips for someone that's looking to, flip couches today? What would you tell them?
Give it a try. You never know. You might fail on the first one, the second one, just, keep going. And look for advice, be open for advice, because there's a lot of people that go in and they don't want to listen to anyone. They think they're always right about everything. Like, if you want to learn, you got to listen, watch videos, take tips and tricks from different people, because I'm still learning today. I joined that group that I said, I think it's called No Nonsense Couch Flipping. I learned a lot from there. There's a lot of people that do different things than I do, so like, just keep learning, and don't stop, and keep trying until obviously you realize that this isn't for you. Like a lot of side hustles can be good for some people, but for some people, they just might be better off doing something else. So just keep giving it a try until you realize that, okay, this is probably not for me.
It sounds like you would recommend people to start couch flipping. Is there, I guess, certain people that you wouldn't recommend? Say, like for myself, if I'm thinking about flipping couches, I live in Chicago, there's a big market here.
If you're open to taking risk, I would go and rent out a small storage unit and give it a try Worst case scenario, you'll pay for that 1 month, you'll break even, or maybe you will, make some money. So, if you're ready to potentially lose, like, I don't know, up to $300, $400, $500, and you're, okay with taking that risk, then go for it. But if you don't want to even lose $30, I mean, I don't know if it's worth it, you giving it a try. But that's how it is in business. You got to risk something to realize that there could be a reward behind it. So
Yeah, definitely. It's all, yeah, like you're saying, weighing out the risk and then seeing what is it worth the rewards. And the rewards in this side hustle seems like potentially make anywhere from like 5 to 20,000 plus a month. So
yeah,
exactly.
exactly.
Like you're seeing a lot of upside. Yeah, awesome. But yeah, that was all my questions. I just want to thank you for, answering all of them and having us learn a lot more about using, couch flipping as a side hustle. Seems like there's a lot of potential here. So I just want to thank you for your time. And where can the viewers learn more about you and your videos?
Well, I guess the best place to find me is on my Instagram, but it's the same username as my YouTube channel, Mikhaxl. And you guys can DM me if you guys have any questions. I'll be more than happy to answer. But yeah, so it's Instagram and YouTube are the two best places.
All right, awesome. And we'll be leaving the links down below in the description box if anyone wants to check out more of your videos and learn more about couch flipping.
Awesome. Well, thank you for having me on, Kevin. I appreciate it.
Of course. Thank you for your time. Appreciate it.
All right. Take care.
Bye. A huge thanks again to Mikhail for all the great advice and tips on how to get started making thousands of dollars in profit per month with flipping couches. If you want to learn more about flipping couches or other side hustle Mikhail has personally tried out, feel free to check out his channel and subscribe. Please leave a comment down below what side hustle you would like for me to do next for an interview. If this video brought you any kind of value, make sure to subscribe and share the video. Feel free to check out my other videos all about different side hustles I've tried and learn more about personal finance. I'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off.